Díobh is Misha Joanne Riley, founder and CEO of Kinvara Skincare. We're incredibly proud that Kinvara Skincare has been named as a finalist in Gradam 2026. Kinvara is an Irish business based on the west coast of Ireland, home to the biggest Gaeltacht in the country, and we're forever inspired by our landscape, our culture and our people. So bringing Irish into our business was a very natural next step for us and one that I'm really proud of. This year, one of the biggest things we did was bring out our packaging in Irish and English. So what we did was everywhere that you see English, you're also going to see Irish. So it's 50-50 because we really wanted the Gaeilge to be equal and not really just an afterthought. So a really nice example of how we're doing that is we have a segment on our social media called Foclan Lay, where we're bringing a word that people would use as part of their everyday self-care. And that's a really nice way for people to feel like, you know, Gaeilge is part of their everyday life is becoming fun, accessible and just normal. Right now we're using Gaeilge in our packaging, but also across all of our marketing. It's becoming part of how we think as a brand. Having our dual language packaging also means that we're able to bring Gaeilge into the retail experience, like here in Evergreen on Maingard Street. And that's really important because it means that customers get to see it as part of their everyday shopping experience. We're really happy to be contributing to the Irish language in our own way. Gormila Margoith.